A train made of milk cartons. The engine is made of one milk carton, and on top of the engine is another milk carton. And there's a little bit cut out for the engine driver. And then there's carriages made of milk cartons. 1, 2, 3. And I'm going to make another one with another milk carton and snip, 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 snip. A lot more snipping to do. Snip, 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 and one more snip. There you go. And that's the bottom of a milk carton. Now, I'm going to add this to the carriages. And I'm going to need a little bit of wool and some blue tack. Here we go. I'm going to stick the end of the wool to the carriage here, and then stick the other end to the new carriage. And there you go. A milk carton train. We've been making something with milk cartons every day this week. What day is it today? Wednesday. And Wednesday is the day we have animals on play school.
Oink, 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 oink. A pig. Oink, 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 oink. A toy pig. 4. Old MacDonald had a farm. Come on, you help me sing that song. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on this farm he had a pig, E-I-E-I-O.
With an oink oink here and an oink oink there, here an oink, there an oink, everywhere an oink oink.
Old MacDonald had a farm,
E-I-E-I-O. Oink oink.
Okay, piggies, here's your food.
Oink, oink.
There you go.
Oink 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 oink
Oh,
oink
delicious.
oink
Eat that up.
oink oink.
Now, it's hard work on a farm. We'll have to check on the cows next. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a cow, E-I-E-I-O.
With a moo here and a moo there, here a moo, there a moo, everywhere a moo.
Old MacDonald had a farm,
E-I-E-I-O. Moo.
No rain for months. I'll have to hand feed the cows. Here you are. There you are, Daisy. Eat up. That's a good girl. You deserve that. You've been giving lots of milk. There you go. Great. Now, one good thing about living on a farm, you get to have fresh eggs from a chook. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a chook, E-I-E-I-O.
With a buck buck here and a buck buck there, here a buck, there a buck, everywhere a buck buck. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O.
Gee, that was good.